Hi guys, I hope everybody's doing great today. I wanted to introduce you to Celie. She's actually in charge of production here and has a very busy job. So she's going to be assisting and making sure the video is of the best quality. So let me put her in her control booth here. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas. By the way, you can actually make carbon dioxide. There are several ways to make it. The easiest is what you're doing right now. You're breathing. So everybody take a big deep breath. Exhale. Every time you exhale, you make carbon dioxide. But I want to show you an easy way that you can actually make this at home. So I have an empty bottle. I have some vinegar. And I have some baking soda. I also have a funnel and a balloon. So what I want to do is I want to put some vinegar inside of the bottle that I have here. So we'll just pour this right in. You're really not going to need that much vinegar, so I'll show you about how much I have. So what I want to do now is I want to take my balloon and I want to put it on top of the funnel. What the funnel is going to do is it's going to allow me to fill this balloon with baking soda. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a chemical reaction, and one of the byproducts of this reaction is carbon dioxide. So it makes for a pretty cool experiment. So we'll go ahead and pour some baking soda in here. Okay, and you should be able to see the balloon maybe filling up with baking soda. Let's add a little bit more. All right, here we go. Okay, so now we have a balloon that's full of baking soda. And I'm going to take it off of my funnel and put it on top of my balloon here. So now if I lift the balloon up, the baking soda that I have in the balloon is going to fall into the vinegar. So let's go ahead and do that. Oh. Ooh. Well, now that's just crazy. Check it out. All right, so like I said, when you mix baking soda and vinegar, several cool things happen. One cool thing is if I touch the bottle now, it's actually cold. Sometimes with a chemical reaction, it'll change temperature. And this is a cold reaction, so it's endothermic. And then the balloon is now bigger because when you mix baking soda and vinegar, it makes carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is a gas. Gas is a state of matter. It has weight, it takes up space, which is exactly what it's doing right now. So it does also have weight. But what about if it's a helium balloon? You know your birthday, the balloons that float, does that have weight? Yes, it does. It's just lighter than air. That's the reason that it floats. So super easy experiment that you can do at home. Another thing I want to do while I have you here is I want to release some carbon dioxide molecules. What is a molecule? So matter is everything, anything that has weight and takes up space. Matter is made of teeny tiny things called molecules. If you get even smaller, you have atoms. Atoms make up molecules, molecules make up matter, matter makes up everything. So what I want to do is I want to release some carbon dioxide molecules from a liquid prison. So they happen to be trapped right now in this diet soda. I want to show you that they're there just by opening the soda. So listen closely to the sound that you hear. Okay, so it fizzed, right? So it's fizzing because the carbon dioxide is in here to keep your soda fresh. It's called carbonation. So what I want to do is I want to give that carbon dioxide lots of space because it's a gas, right? State of matter, has weight, and it takes up space. So what I want to do is I want to drop a Mentos into my diet soda. So on the outer edges of Mentos, there's all these teeny tiny holes. They're called nucleation sites. It gives a place for those carbon dioxide molecules to grab onto. So it has gravity, that's a force that pulls things back down to earth, pulls the candy down the soda. It's going to create bubbles over and over again. So the carbon dioxide is like, dude, I'm taking over this space. And it's going to do it by pushing as much of the soda out as it possibly can. So let's have a look what that looks like. Here's just one Mentos, right? So we're going to go ahead and drop this in our soda. 3, 2, 1. All right, awesome. So now that I've introduced you to that experiment, next time we're going to talk a little bit about Sir Isaac Newton and his laws of motion and see what happens if we maybe use a bigger bottle and more Mentos. Until then, be well, have a great day, believe in science. Bye.